guys, I already know what type of day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia, and today I am doing this colorful, yes, it's kind of like, you know, carnival cabana type of makeup look. I don't know, I just feel that type of vibe. If I had like the jewels and stuff, I will definitely, you know, do something with that in your near future. Anyways, this is like a summer type of colorful makeup look. I was just playing with colors, doing my thing, and I absolutely love it. I love how it turned out. You already know. If you want to know how to get this look or watch me achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already primed my left eye, already did my right eye, so you can see a quick overview of what we're gonna do today. It's pretty colorful, so be aware. You already know, if you're more of the neutral type of girl, come out of your comfort zone for a little bit, okay? Just for me. So the first eyeshadow we're going to be using is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to grab this hot neon pink shade as my first shadow, not necessarily my transition color. So I always like to start off with my outer corner with dabby motions. Then I use dabby motions as well and drag it into my crease. And I'm also starting to flick out the color to my outer corner, giving me like a winged effect, because that's what I want to go for today. If you understand what I'm saying, because you know me. Then I'm grabbing these two pink shades. They're more like transition shades for me from the palette, and I'm going to blend the top portion of the hot pink shade that we just applied. Now jumping into my Morphe 35B palette. I believe this is discontinued. I forgot what YouTuber that I heard it from, which I really don't know why this will be discontinued, because this is one of the most favorite color palettes from Morphe. So unless it wasn't, I don't know if it wasn't selling, or like maybe they're changing up the formula, changing up the colors for this. But if you still have this palette, you can still use it, because you know I'm gonna use it. I'm using it. And I'm grabbing this dark magenta type of shade, and we're just going to drag it into the crease and flick it at the outer corner. Now going back to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going to use these two purple shades and just only mainly place it on my outer corner. Now it's time to cut the crease, and what I like to do to really get a nice precise cut crease is that I'll go in with just a little bit of concealer. I don't pack it on my brush at first. Then after I'll add a little more onto my brush, and this will make the cut crease sharper since you already have the outline of it. And you know, if you want to add more opaque this I'm just making up words, I don't even know if that's the actual word. It will be more opaque when applying your lid shade and all that. And of course you want to let that dry, since you've just added a more layer yeah of concealer. So I'm gonna just let that sit for a bit, because I don't set that with translucent powder as well. Now time for the lid. I'm going to use my Morphe X Jaclyn Hale palette, and I'm gonna grab like this rosy with gold flakes type of pink color, and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner of my lid. And then going back to my 35B palette from Morphe, I'm using this purple shade. It has like some pink fuchsia type of reflexes to it, and I'm gonna put it on the middle, the rest of my lid. Of course, we gotta do my signature outer corner blending into the lid shade type of thing with the first color that I used. What the god? That I was supposed to say that I love to use, but I love to do this either way. And then of course, to give that crease to give my crease that more definement look, I'm going back with that dark magenta shade from the from the Morphe palette, 35B. I'm only going to do a thin line on my lash line with my NYC liquid eyeliner in the color Extreme Black, and then I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, which I'm using my Dodo lashes in the style D318. I broke like the front packaging where it shows the name, so yeah, but this is how it looks. Of course, I'll do my eyebrow off camera as well, and then we can start with the Z face. all right, time for the face. You already know what primer I use. Like, you should be watching my videos, okay? Like, you already know. Come on. But then I'm gonna also use this AOA Wonder Skin Perfecting Blurring Primer for all over my face, because why now? So I'm gonna start off with this primer first. I have like whatchamacallit, some gold flakes to it, but like it blends out, so like it doesn't leave any unnecessary marks, I guess. What the hell am I saying? Yeah, hopefully you understand what I'm saying, because I certainly don't. And of course, you got to do your powder before foundation. Of course, after my face literally looks like the Saharan desert, it's time for foundation. I'm using Bodhi's But a Goodie. I haven't even touched these in months, okay? Sometimes this one will look gray on me, so that's why I'm mixing it with this bad boy. This is the Lancome Tient Idole 24-hour makeup, ultra 24-hour makeup in the shade 500 Suede. I feel like it's light on me too, so that's why I mix it with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 360 Mocha. Sometimes I will use the Dewy Plus Smooth, but either way, mixing the 360 with this 500 Suede W shade from Lancome works wonders and gives me noise coverage. Yes. So this one is even almost done. Let me see a new one. For concealer, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Putting it all over the face. I'm joking. Just of course my under eyes and my T-zone area. Of course, we're gonna use that Laura. She needs some love, you already know. Of course, to bring life back to my face is Cosmetics Dual Powder. Comes in clutch. Alright, back to the lower lash line. I'm going back into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and grabbing this shade. I believe it's called Jada. I don't have the names because when I order it, it didn't come with the names, because this one is like the first packaging that she did, so you know, mine's is well made. And I'm applying this shade on my lower lash line. This is going to be like a base for the shadow we are going to apply, basically. Then I'm going to grab to the shade next to it, which is a shimmer shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to mix it with Fawn with this blue shade from the 35B palette. I'm just gonna grab like a brown shade from the palette because I don't like the that Jada shade that's on top. So I'm just going to diffuse it a little bit. That's better. Because like as soon as I apply those shimmer shades, it just looked gray. So I'm just gonna apply my mascara, Maybelline Colossal Big Shot, and then we'll be basically done with the eyes. Like, we are done with the eyes. Let me stop. All right, back to the face. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Face HD Foundation Powder, or press powder I should say, in the color Cocoa to bronze up my face. For blush, I'm using my Broken Ass Malibu Glitz blush in the shade Coral. I have to be very careful with this. And of course, for that glow, I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighters in the Molten Gold shade and the Molten Rose Gold shade. You like notice the smell of these? It kind of smells like cupcakes, like chocolate cupcakes, whatever, but not in a good way. Like highlighter smelling like chocolate, nah. Before, and sometimes when I freshly wash my brush and I use the highlighter, it will smell so weird because it's freaking scented. So I never really noticed it until that one time when I freshly washed my brush. So, and then I smelled it, and I'm like, what is that smell? And it smells so weird. Oh my god, it was weird. But yeah, I don't like the smell of these highlighters. I love the glow, but the smell got to go. Before we go to the lips, I'm gonna set my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray. Already fixed up my hair and things, and now it's time for the lips. I'm going pretty nude. I'm just gonna be using my e.l.f. lipstick in the shade Blushing Brown, and for a like type of glossy look, I'm using my Maybelline Vivid Hot lacquer in the shade Unreal. First, I'm going to line my lips with some brown liner. I always do this before I go in with those lip colors. We're all done with this badass colorful summer type of makeup. Yay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all my social medias. That'll be down in the description. Also, if you haven't watched my other videos, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know if you've been sleeping under a rock, if you've been living under a box, girl. I am pulling the content that I have for you guys, and you know, doing the thing. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but anyways, you already know what type of day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia.